Hello children, reading time. Today we will learn to read simple sentences. Let's get started. Today's topic is all about my family. This is my family. This is my family. This is my family. My family reads. My family reads. My family reads. My family cooks. My family cooks. My family cooks. My family eats. My family eats. My family eats. My family plays. My family plays. My family plays. We draw. We draw. We draw. We dance. We dance. We dance. We sing. We sing. We sing. We walk. We walk. We walk. We hug. We hug. We hug. My family is the best. My family is the best. My family is the best. I love my family. I love my family. I love my family. Thank you.
Bye bye, kids. See you later.